Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga to drain lymphs. Let's get started. Okay, let's take Balasana child pose. Knees open about mat distance. Toes touch and sit on your heels. Inhale, exhale, reach your hands, fingers forward. Okay, today let's keep cup hand. Okay. And forehead rests on the mat. Inhale, exhale. Inhale to reach your tip of your finger forward. Exhale to bring your chest close to the mat. And sit on your heels. Support your weight with your heels. And next exhale, release. Let's take tabletop pose, hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips, on your floor. And cat and cow pose. Inhale, cow pose. And exhale, cat pose. Inhale, arch your back. And exhale, roll your back. Inhale, gaze up. And exhale, look toward the navel. Inhale, drop your belly. And exhale, roll your back. Inhale, gaze up. And exhale, shoulder blades together and toward the ceiling. One more inhale, tailbone crown to the sky. And exhale, navel to the spine. Back to center. Let's kneeling down. From here, place your hands behind. Inhale, shift your weight to really back and so that almost lifting up your knees. Okay, maybe pointing a finger toward yourself might help. It's might be easier. And keep breathing. And now back to center. Let's take downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Shift your hips to the side. Feel free to fidget around. Do whatever you feel you need to do. And pedal your feet to stretch your calves. And both heels down. Now, sway your head to the side to release any tension from your neck. And shift your hips to your heels. Support your weight with your heels. And crown relax, head relax. Create space between shoulders and ears. Tailbone to the sky. Heel connect down to the floor. 10 finger, 10 toes, open and wide. And walk your hands to your feet. And bend your knees and interlace your hands behind. Open up your chest. Shoulders away from ears. Now release. This time keep your knees bent. Interlace hands forward and roll your back. And stretch out your knees, forward fold. Each vertebra roll up. And roll your shoulder back and down. So let's right leg step in, back heel down. Keep your hips square. Inhale and exhale. Warrior one. Okay. Interlace your hands except your index fingers. Inhale, exhale for one. Breathe in for two. Breathe in for three. Breathe in for four. And breathe in for five. Now release. Step back. Bring your left leg forward. Virabhadrasana A. Inhale, bring your arms up. Raise your hands, except the index finger. One. Back heel pressing down strong. Two. Square hips. Three. Four. And five. Relax. Let's take downward and king pigeon pose. Front knee bent and right knee straight. Try to keep your heel to the knee almost one line so you can get deeper stretch on your hips. And slowly bring your chest down, bow to your arms. Use exhale to soften, release everything. Inhale to lengthen, toes to the ground. And exhale to soften your chest, relax your hips. And next inhale, halfway up, exhale, release. Let's switch your legs. Opposite leg forward and bend. Again, try to keep your heel almost one line with your knee to get deeper stretch on your hips. And back knee straight, back toe straight. Inhale, exhale, slowly bring your chest forward and down, and bow to your arms. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, release. Okay, let's take half lotus pose. And sitting bone connecting down. Crown reaching toward the sky. Shoulder blades together, open your chest. Shoulder blades down away from ears. Hands heart center. Namaste. This sequence is designed to drain lymphs, which is good for healthy immune system. I recommend you do it on a regular basis. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!